telling you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go.
Chat. We are back. For the one time. We are here, man. Are you ready? What's that SpongeBob thing? I can't hear you. Chat. Let's get it going, man. Welcome back to the streams, everybody. How are you all doing? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever the fuck you're from. Hopefully you guys are good. Hopefully you guys had a good morning so far. And yeah, man, let's jump into it. 1 second there. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Not ready yet? Get ready. What's good, High Life? Tony's here. Triz, Gareth, W7, Joshua. Who else is here, chat? Come say hi. Let's get it going, man. Let's get it going. Let's get ready to rumble. I'm excited for this one, chat. We've got a lot of potential here today. I caught a monster last night. I can't lie. Caught an absolute monster trade last night. So let's get into it. But look, let's do a little bit of analysis here. Analysis paralysis and all that. It was loud as fuck. What was? Me? My bad. Yeah, so we'll start from the weekly. So the weekly time frame, chat. If you go over to Monday's stream, you would have seen exactly what I just said here. Monday's stream, we said that this was a bottom wick on the weekly and that I was pretty sure the weekly was going to flip, right? Now the weekly's coming up towards the flip. So I was right. But anyway, we are pushing up here. It does look like you've grabbed a lot of liquidity. Daily's the same story, right? Yesterday's daily tapped into a very key level here. That's not the right tool. Tapped into a very key level here towards, where is this? 85. Yeah, you tapped into 85, broke the previous low and then rejected, closed bullish. So I'm definitely feeling a little bit more bullish today. I think we've got room towards 56, to be honest. However, I do believe we are in need of some liquidity. Current daily has got no bottom wick. Current 4 hour as well actually does look a little bit bearish, I'm not going to lie, with the structure. So that is interesting. 2 hour, same thing. 1 hour is very, very choppy right now. You're just sort of trending upwards, which is okay, but it's not the best, to be honest. You're also right now tapping into a very key level here towards 28. Is it 28? Around there, right? It's a pretty strong level. Yeah, I think 28 is pretty decent. After you close above 28, you've got room up until, I would say, it's a bit choppy up here, I'm not gonna lie, chat. When you get to these heights, like this area that we're at on price right now, it does get a little bit choppy. We can navigate that pretty well, I think. I would say, yeah, 36 is sort of your next target after that. My overall target for that daily is 41, roughly, around this area here. I do think we can fill up towards there. However, if you do start to react here and reject, we need to be prepared for the other circumstance, right? For sells, we need to be prepared for sells. So I would be looking at 14. I think it's a decent level. However, that is quite far away. So I believe there might be another level in between towards 21. Yes, 21. If you close below 21, you've got room all the way down to like the 14s. Even further out, let's call it 13.1. So you got sells below this area here. That would also constitute a market structure shift for me. You'd be breaking all these lows, right? So for me, I think that's pretty valid. The 1 hour is about to flip here as well. You did grab some liquidity above the highs here as well. And yeah. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, chat. Very simply. If we can reject here and start to close below those levels, we're going to look at some sells. If not, we're going to see what happens. Even if we push down and then grab some liquidity and continue upwards, that's going to be fine by me, right? That's not a problem at all. I want to short it. Yeah, man. It gets like that. Victory settings was good. Jed was good as well. Ja, what's good, brother? Just took those top of the range sells. Nice. Yo, chat, I actually caught a monster trade yesterday. I took a buy up from 33.08 and I closed full at 25. So like here basically. It was actually in the morning, I believe. Yeah, what was that? 170 pips overnight. It was pretty clean, to be honest. Pretty clean. If you saw my Instagram, I did like a full breakdown of it. Yeah, these sells look decent now that hourly wants to flip. If we get that close below 21, we should be good. We should be good. Chat one sec. All right, cool. Cool. Chat, what about you guys though? Enough about me. How are you guys doing today? What'd you take? If you got any positions, then let me know what you took. If you're still waiting, then congrats on the discipline. All right, let me load up my trading platforms as well. I think I'm going to trade on the 150k live funded today. This one here. Haven't taken a single trade on it yet. And then maybe the top step of values as well. We'll see. I'm finding my psychology before trade, analysis and entries are looking good. My psychology in-game in trade is another ball game. Yeah. That's a very key issue. That is a very key issue. I would say there's a couple of ways to fix that. One of them could be just walking away from the chart the moment you take the trade, right? Do your analysis, set your break-even point, set your TP and stop loss, and then just run away. You don't need to overmanage it. Bro, I can't wait till I reach that status, motivation. Hey man, if there's anything I give you and it's motivation, then that's good enough for me, man. Motivation is very important. What's good, Dorian? How's it going, brother? Flipper's current 30-minute I marked out and it's flying. Yeah, problem is, right, the market structure is still very bullish. You could just be coming down to get this 30-minute low and then flip, right? I'm not saying you definitely are. And to be fair, you did fail to break the high here, so that could be something of interest. But yeah, it's all about just waiting here, staying patient, waiting for the correct setups to form, because it will form, right? You're going to get something nice here very shortly. That's good, MK. How's it going? This flip does look nicer. It kind of broke. It didn't break these wicks to the left, but it broke the previous high on the 1 hour. Could be some nice liquidity here, to be honest. Swept Asian highs, technically. Just. What's the futures market saying? Similar thing, to be honest. Look at that. Got the same levels marked up. Get this one at 29 as well, right? Is that it? 29? A little bit lower. 28. Let's call it that. Yeah, perfect. Now, this is so weird. Have you seen the new YouTube video AI? Chat, am I tripping, or I swear something's changed? I don't know. Has something changed, chat? I can't see anything. Well, I'm not even watching a YouTube video, right? I'm just streaming, but... Belly, what's good? Welcome to the streams. Chat, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Very important. Also, by the way, who watched yesterday's YouTube video? If you watched it, let me know what you think. I think it was a banger. I got so many comments that, like, saying how fucking bangalicious it was. Man, that's not even a word. You know, a lot of people said it was super valuable, super helpful. Starting to react here as well, chat. 15 closed, like, out with a rejection here. Pretty, yeah, a little bit. Literally answer my question. Yeah, bro, I saw that. I'm glad to see. Glad to see it. Shattered after yesterday. Was it Wimbledon or what? Crazy vid. Hey, good shit, man. Blizzy, what's good, my friend? How's it going? Silly good. I bet your neck hurts from going like. Nah. I saw the video. Yeah, it's pretty sick. But surely you can't really see it from the side as well. You want to see like where they're hitting the ball, like to which side of the court. Maybe I'm tripping. Going well. How's it going for you? Very well, brother. Very well. I'm just chilling here, man. Productive ass day though, chat. I posted so many videos today. If you haven't already, make sure you go and firstly check out the YouTube video, then the trade breakdown on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. Yo, I'm actually pumping out TikToks on the minute. Like I've been doing like 5 to 10 a day. If you don't follow me on TikTok, you should, man. Bro, yeah, but that's nothing. Yo, TJR the other day posted fucking 50 TikToks in a day. I don't know how he does that shit. To be fair, most of them aren't valuable. Like the ones I'm posting are basically value-based or about my life or trading-based. This guy just posts retarded stuff. Like legitimately. TJ's cooked? Nah, bro, he's a fucking very intelligent marketer. He's obviously just found what works, right? And he's leaning into it. Bro, you have to think about it. The amount of impressions he gets, it's going to lead into like affiliate sales and like course sales for him and all that sort of thing is crazy. He's printing cash. Because like, for example, the other day, like I said, he posted like 50 TikToks in one day. Bro, each TikTok had like 20K views, right? So do the maths on that. That's 1 million impressions in one day. A lot of them had more as well, like 20Ks. In fact, most of them had like 30K, 60K, 80K. So like, hella impressions. It's pretty smart. Sometimes it looks like he's on drugs. He's definitely on drugs, bro. I think he even says it himself. Yeah, something not right about those Miami boys. I think they're all on it. A lot of weird stuff going on out in like Miami and America in general, to be honest. I don't think I could ever live in America. Although I made a post about Cyprus the other day, right? And there's loads of people going like, I can't wait to leave Cyprus. It's like, it's all the locals saying like, I can't wait to leave Cyprus. It's a shithole. It's all these kids. Bro, they have no idea how good they've got it. They have no idea how good they've got it. If they went to the UK and lived there for a couple of months, they'd be trying to run back to Cyprus. Price action is cooked? No, I don't think so. It's still pre-New York, right? We've still got a lot of opportunity here. A lot of opportunity, actually. Once the volume starts to pick up a little bit, we've also got, chat, we've got news in about 40 minutes. Unemployment claims. So we have COMEX open in like 30 minutes and then unemployment claims 10 minutes after that. It's going to give you a shitload of volume. It should give you some nice potential here. Yeah, look, we're pushing down here. This is interesting. Starting to get some Not direction, yeah. The worst thing that could happen realistically is if we consolidate between these two areas here. I mean, it is a 70 pip range, so maybe you could take advantage, but the hourly flipped, 4 hours not looking the best. Again, this could be like a higher low here. No, a lower high, sorry, on the 4 hour to continue down. Daily says, daily and weekly says the opposite, right? But again, gold is being gold. That closure below 21 is going to be really nice for some sells. Chat, I saw the craziest fucking TikTok yesterday. Someone was like, yo, these are the best signals groups currently out there, or some shit like that. And he was like, basically he just said like the names of the biggest fucking scam artists in trading. Like McGarry, HS, all them lot. The people who don't actually trade and they just make money off the broker revenue share, right? And I was just like, bro, there's no way that people believe this shit. Like, there's no way. But they do. People actually believe it. Like, yeah, deposit to this guy's signals, bro. It's going to be sick. I genuinely feel like there's two sides of the trading industry, right? There's like the side that we're on, which is like educational, people actually trade, you know, like funded traders or live brokerage traders. And then there's like that other side, which is like, they're not even traders. I don't even know how to say it. Just, I guess just pure scammers, right? Like the lifestyle people, the Lambo type shit. And then like the people who follow them though, they're just like regular people that think that they are going to deposit $300 into this signals group and make shitloads of money. It's like, hang on. You're a fucking idiot. Both of them actually. Like the person doing the scam and the people falling for it. That's why you gotta learn. Yeah, 100%. 100%. We are ripping down here, chat. Ripping. We might get that close actually. Hourly close in like 6 minutes here. I think I'd rather wait for news though. I mean, we'll see. I guess if it's like a clear setup, then you know it could be sick. Just hold through news. Just hold a fat position through news. See what happens. Whoa. See, look what I said, chat. Like this still could be a lower high here, or sorry, a higher low. Why do I always say it the wrong way around? Higher low. It's a bit too indecisive right now. If you watched my video the other day on the 3 pillars of TRLS, right, you would have seen me break down how sometimes gold does like a little fake market structure shift, where it will do something like this, and then it looks like it broke the low, and everyone thinks, okay, like it's going bearish now. And then immediately just actually realize that it was a liquidity grab and they've been caught in a fake out and they get cooked, right? A lot of the time that happens. So it's very important just to be patient and just wait. Because it can just close below here like this, and then that's the liquidity grab. Trap some nice little sellers here and then rip back up. Everything's possible. We also might just be ranging here before news as well. Big news before the news. Gonna slow it down? Yeah. This is true. Zoom. Yeah, the news sometimes does slow it down, to be fair, like pre-news. But you do have comics open as well. So I think might be alright here. We'll see. Oh. Chat, by the way, I have a big announcement coming. Should be today, actually. I have a big announcement. So, I've basically got... Well, we're doing a live webinar. Big webinar. Which is going to be... I think entry is going to be opening very, very shortly. It's going to be next Tuesday, about 6 p.m. UK time. I'm going to teach, it's basically going to be like a full course. Like a couple of hour-long webinar where we just literally teach everything from basic strategy, full strategy, entry, psychology, everything, right? It's going to be sick. So make sure you don't miss that. The video made me see some things I never did, and it makes me realize that you have to be patient. It will fake you out, then go the opposite of trend. Yeah, exactly. Normally the first move is not the actual move, right? That's the way to think about it, right? Who you doing it with? What do you mean? I said we, but it's me, right? I'll be the one teaching it. Hey, what's good, Max? How's it going, brother? Long time no see, yeah. Oh shit, we're ripping. Yeah, I look away for 1 second and we just go through the floor. Ja, you still holding those cells? If so, then congrats. Daily might even flip here, chat. Imagine this daily wants to flip. Close at 21. Makes a lot of sense, bro. 72 pips. Nice little W there for you. Love to see it. This is going to be an interesting closure, though. It does look like it wants to close below here, chat. So, the 5 minutes going to be... Oh... It all depends on this 5, to be fair. It's rejecting a little bit, but it's a break of structure on pretty much every time frame. However, like I said, I do still believe that this could be a... what I'm going to start calling a fake break of structure, right? Win rate versus risk to reward, both are very important, bro. That's the... It's the holy triangle of trading, right? Win rate plus risk to reward equals profit or non-profit, depending on what the ratio is, right? Win rate times risk to reward, I guess. Because, bro, you could have a fucking 5-to-1 risk to reward, right? But if you're only winning 5% of your trades, you know, who gives a fuck? It just makes no sense, right? Same with a 1-to-1, right? If you're, you know, if you're winning only, well, under 50% of your trades, then it doesn't matter. It's one of those things where you just have to find a good balance. The one thing you should never do, though, is have like a fixed risk to reward. That is the most bullshit thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, oh yeah, okay, my stop's up here. I have to go for a 3-to-1 risk to reward or whatever, which is going to be like, you know, all the way down here. But actually, price could reject here, it could reject here, and then you're just losing money for no reason. By the way, the hourly closed below here, chat. 5 minute kind of close, like respecting though, which is really weird. Bottom wick first as well, so no trade for me just yet. Still a lot of opportunity though. Yeah, the most bullshit thing in trading is fixed risk to reward. Makes 0 sense. Like, you should be working out where your areas are, and then maybe if the risk reward is too low for you, then say, yeah, don't take it, but never just set a fixed one. Like an investment bank's never gonna say they need a 5-to-1 return, right? What they'll do is they'll figure out how much profit they're gonna make versus their risk, and then if the risk is too low, then they won't take it, right? But they're not gonna just force the trade through. So we can trade negative RR? Yeah, of course, I trade negative RR sometimes. Negative RR works. As much as people tell you or want to tell you that it doesn't, I promise you it does. Okay, cool. Some BS traders preach 1-to-5s and 1-to-10s, but close like their full positions at a 1-to-2 and think they've done something special. Yeah, most of the traders are closing partials anyway, right? They're like, oh, yeah, I'm going for a 1-to-5, and then they close partials at 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, and they end up nowhere near it, right? So it's all just bullshit to try and get clicks and attention and all that sort of thing, right? How important is journaling your trades? Very, especially when you're starting off. It's so important. It's massively important, man. Because you're then going to like know, first of all, your statistics. You're also going to stop yourself from over trading. So much is going to happen. Yo, by the way, chat, we're getting close to 7K on YouTube. Kind of crazy. Coming close to that 7K subs. We're literally like 40 subs off. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do. Or have, or whatever. People say trading gold is extremely hard for beginners. Is it true? No. I don't believe that there's a pair that's harder than any other pair. I think the market's as difficult no matter what pair you trade. It's not like, oh yeah, there's an easier pair. If there was a pair that was easier, every single person would trade it, right? Like if I knew for a fact that I make double the money trading Euro USD, then I'd trade Euro USD. It's just what you like and what you don't like. What works for your strategy, what doesn't. It's super simple, right? Just trade what you prefer. What's good, Malinka? How's it going, brother? Chat, comics open here in 15 minutes. 5 minutes is closing again below the level. So I do think we will continue down. I think if you were going to reject, you would have already done it by now, right? Personally. Doesn't mean I'm taking buys right, sells right now, right? It's just time to be patient. Way too hot, can we calm the sun down a bit? I just moved to a country with aircon, easy. We are ripping down here though. We've got 13 degrees Celsius here in the mountains. We had 35 a week ago. What the fuck? That is crazy. I guess in the mountains it changes hella fast. It makes sense though, to be fair. I think you can move to an apartment or house with aircon too, not a different country. Yeah, that's a very good point you make there, Mr. Blizzy. Probably a bit cheaper. Can't use aircon now. There's renovation going on at home. Can't let the guys suffer alone. No, you can. How does it feel to make a shit ton of money at such a young age? I don't really think about it like that, to be honest. I don't think I make a shit ton of money. I make good money, but I don't make like... No, I do make really good money, but I'm saying there's always another step up. Like, it's the same with everything, right? When you get to a certain point, your goals just move further. That's literally it. Like, once you make 100K, your next goal is $1 million. Once you make $1 million, your next goal is 10 mil. Once you make 10 mil, your next goal is 100 mil. It's so simple. Check out the position I'm in right now. Nah, bro's top ticked again, eh? Holy Sigma. You're actually gonna get banned by Top Step. Is that Bro, we're gonna have to do an updated interview, I swear. What's your account sitting at now? This guy's fucking printing. What was your best month? Probably last month, I think. It depends. Nah, I've had a 6-figure month before. But that was only once. $50K is a 10-year salary of an experienced engineer living in India. Also, an engineer in India gets $5K a year. Fuck off. No way. Made nah, not 6 figures last month. It was not last month. Yo, what's good, Tom? How's it going, brother? I made $37,000 last month from trading. Could you explain how the futures props work, please, bro? Do you pay monthly off profits or you got to pay separately? Nah, you pay separately. But you don't pay monthly once it's passed, right? Once it's passed, there's no more fee. How'd you make it? What's account size, funding, etc.? That was all from my live account, to be honest. That was from my live brokerage account. The account's at like 15K, so after withdrawing 5K in the evening, my next 5K payout would just require 5 winning days of 200, which is very chill. Holy Sigma. This guy's made 25K in the last month. That would change my life forever. Can't wait. Training daily. That's why I'm here, man. Like, that's why I'm trying to spread the value and try and give as much people the same opportunity as possible. Right? You see what happened to D, right? D turned up to the group. Had never even traded before. Then he put his own work in as well. It wasn't just me, right? He put his own effort in, adapted some shit, took some concepts, took some others, took the psychology stuff, and then now he made... what, 25K in a month? It's fucking insane. But the power of TRLS is crazy, man. Like, the value that I'm giving you guys is genuinely life-changing. Like, I guarantee Dorian can change his life forever now. Bro, you... Wait. Let me just rethink this, right? Dorian, that's on one 50K account, right? So you got 50% profit within 50% profit on one 50K funded account. That is actually unbelievable. But when this guy gets scaled up to like a milli, oh. Just on 150k right now, you know. Just a light level 50k. Yeah, nothing major. Nah, that's actually so good to see, man. So good to see. Chat, you see what I mean, man? If that doesn't motivate you, then what the fuck will? Lanra A, what's good? Welcome. 50% profit on a prop firm is fucking ridiculous. You gotta be on some sort of leaderboard. Does Top Step have leaderboards? I don't think they do. Top Step seems like it's better than Apex, not gonna lie. Apex is way more scalable, right? That's the whole point of it. They have leaderboards for live accounts. After this one, I'd need 2 more to trade with their actual money. Crazy. People be capping a lot. Who? Show bank account. Crazy work. Crazy work. Show me your national insurance number. Show me your passport, your bank account, 16-digit number and sort code. Yeah, show credit card, show Amex. Please. Right, trading a similar way to you. I know this question is really subjective, but what lot do you think is good on a 25k account? Because right now I'll be using 0.1 per trade and I make like $30 on average, while risking like 60. Is it 25k funded or live? Like funded or brokerage? I presume funded, right? I'm waiting for your answer. Yo, I can see this starting to reject though right now. Can't lie, like if this pops back up and closes bullish, buys up back towards the top of this range and higher are not a bad idea. That would be exactly what I taught you about 10 minutes ago, right? That little fake market structure shift where it looks like it's going to come down, break the lows and do something like this. And then actually what happens is it ends up breaking the highs again and continuing up like this. That'd be the exact same thing, right? Yo, what's good, Dale? How's it going, man? What's good? What's good? What's good? Chat, by the way, Apex right now has an 80% off sale going on. So if you do want to go ahead and get some accounts with Apex, you can trade 20 accounts at once, which is fucking crazy. You're going to get yourself 80% off those accounts. So it's basically like $30 for a 50k account. Crazy cheap. Funded? If you're risking, no, you should be risking more than 60 bucks on a 25k funded. You want to be risking like 250 bucks. So let's say your average stop loss is 50 pips. You want to be trading like a 0.5 lot. But then you can't trade over 50 pips really. I mean like a little bit, but nothing crazy over it. If you want to be safe, 0.4 lot, and then you can trade probably like 60, 70 pip stops and you'd be okay. But yeah, 0.1 lot's a little bit too low for a 25k account, to be honest, bro. Unless your stops are massive. But like you said, you were risking $60, so your stops are like 60 pips. So you can risk a little bit more than that. You'll be fine. Are my messages coming through? Yeah, I think you might be a bit delayed though, I can't lie. Maybe you need to click forward on the thing, but I did answer it. Chat, 4 minutes here till comics open. What lots would you recommend on a 50k funded, and what do you use on it? Again, it depends on what stops are, but like I would say a 1 lot on a 50k funded is pretty valid. Something like that. You're risking then $500, which is 1% if you got 50 pip stops. Your stops are bigger, then change the lot size, right? But yeah, 1 lot's pretty good. Because then, to be fair, even if you're trading like 70 pip stops, it's still only like 1.4, 1.5% risk, which is fine in my opinion. Anything up to 2% risk on a prop is probably okay. 1% risk is good. Anything over 2 is probably a little bit high. Settings, copy trading, lead account, follower account, bang, 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 save changes, enable copy trader. Good. All right, we're in business. Chat, I'm excited to see how this news comes out though. I think it's going to bring a lot of volume into the market, which is going to be really, really good here. Again, you have 2 minutes here till comics open, which should bring you some volume as well. And then you have 10 minutes after that until news. So either way, we should be able to grab some nice little positions here. But give me 1 sec, chat. I'm going to be back in literally 1 second. Yo, I'm back, chat. We're back. So in terms of dollar amount, what would you think I should be risking per trade? 1% of the account feels like too much because like a bad losing streak and then drawdown rules kick in. No, 1% is fine. You shouldn't lose 6 trades in a row, and if you do, that's just really unlucky. You can't risk that little, bro. If you're risking $60 per trade, it's gonna take you years to pass them. All right, like way too long. You shouldn't be getting too attached to an evaluation either. I don't think Apex is available in South Africa. I think it should be. Maybe not. I don't know. You have to check with them. Otherwise, use ACG. See BTC jump to 112? Oh shit, yeah, I saw that last night. Wait. Yeah, this is crazy. New all-time high last night, right? Just. And a bit of a sell-off from the all-time high. 2,700 on Ethereum as well. But it's been rejected every time here. I don't know, man. We'll see. By the way, Comics Open was a minute ago. Starting to push you down here. So you should feel the range towards the bottom, to be honest. You should be good to feel the range towards the bottom. Ooh. Activation charge on Apex is about 130 bucks, I think. Something like that. What lot do you use on the 50k? One lot? Yeah, I answered that. Yeah, one lot is good. One lot is good. What's good, Danny? How's it going, brother? Oh, rejection here, chat. See, what did I say? What did I say about this flipping and coming back up here? Chat, I think I called this shit. Wait, I need to check the rules here. Alright, cool. Love for the help. Anytime, man. That's what I'm here for, right? Chat. 7 minutes till news here. It's going to be interesting. Big rejection here on gold. Remember, we are still bullish, right? Overall, immediate trend on gold here is pretty bullish. Honestly, like, I know people take the piss, but if you do want to figure out the trend, and if you struggle to do it, just pop a trend line in. Like, you know, it's pretty easy to understand. I don't trade with trend lines, right? But some people struggle to spot the trend. So you can use it on every time frame. However, if you do look on the 4, I would say that we are actually pretty fucking bearish, to be honest. See? Trend line analysis, you know. Who would have thought we would have seen trend lines doing trend lines? Not me. Not me. Yeah, what's good, Don? How's it going, brother? What's good? What's good? What's good? Chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream right now. Much appreciated. Much. What the fuck was I about to say? Much appreciated. Much love as well. Trend lines, multi-lines analysis. That's what I'm saying. Chat, by the way. Good first day on my holiday. Nice, bro. Fully focused. That's sick, bro. 2.5 weeks fully focused on trading. W. Yo, chat, by the way. Ah, Mr. Kaiser's here. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Mr. Jet Setter over here. Chat, head over here and follow this page that I've been posting on quite regularly from now. I just realized I was watching your stream 4 minutes in the past. I knew it, bro. That's why your messages were so late. Basically, chat, what I'm doing here now on this page, on the TRLS Concepts page, specifically, I'm posting all trading education stuff. So it's all like pure value, not intended to get views or do anything crazy, right? It's all based on just pure value, trying to give you guys as much trading knowledge as possible. So if you haven't already, make sure you go and follow this page, because it's going to be, and I mean, it is already, there's so many clips on it already. Like, chat, look at the value here. Oh shit. Do you remember when the office was empty, chat, when I just got to Cyprus? Holy. And then we've obviously got the UK stream set up. Chat, this is OG. Clips are old as. But yeah, man, like, look, this is the trading page. So make sure you go follow that shit. Anyway, how is this 5 minutes close bullish above? Oh, very interesting chat. Very, very interesting. 3 minutes till news. Chat, if you're in any positions right now, be careful. We've got unemployment claims coming out in 3 minutes. It's actually the first major news event of the week. So it probably is going to have a relatively decent effect on the market, to be honest. A lot of the times when you have like no news, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the unemployment claims on Thursday or whatever news comes first is actually a relatively strong move. So yeah, let's just be careful here, man. Be careful. We'll margin a few Apex accounts. Nah, I wish. Can't be doing that. Don't want to give you guys bad habits. So chat, if this news comes down first and flips, we'll have a look at some buys to continue up towards the top of these highs here. Bars, that rhymed. Poet and I didn't even know it. But otherwise, if you fail to push up, right, and you just rip straight down, then it's going to be a different story. 15-minute did close below as well. So did the 30. So it's like, I mean, the 30 close would actually be very nice here. I have a feeling we might just rip straight up though. Chat, quick, what do you guys think news is going to come out as? Press 1 for up or 2 for down. Type it in chat, whatever your answer is. Let me know. Where is news going to go? 1 for up, 2 for down. We do this every single day, right? Every single news event. Got a couple of 2s. A couple of 1s. I think first sell side and then buy. Maybe, we'll see. 2, 1. So most people think, actually it's completely 50-50. Actually. Chat, someone else decide. Who's got the deciding vote here? 1 or 2? I don't think it'll do anything. Nothing. 1. If Jar thinks up, I'm leaning towards up then. I knows his stuff. D thinks 2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Take liquidity then down then buy, maybe. Why did I get banned from chat? It wasn't me. I don't know. Probably because you said something about capping or some shit. I don't know. Maybe one of the mods caught you. All in now? Yeah, chat. Full margin right now and you're going to make millions, I promise. To be honest, I was tempted if we close above here and then come down bottom wick first and flip. Grab some nice little buys, but yeah, I mean, we'll see. I was joking. Yeah, I know, bro, but mods don't play, man. The mods just don't play. How did the news come out here? So we're pushing down, chat. 30-minute did close back within the range, though. Came out Oh, positive for the dollar, which is bad for gold here. So you should realistically push down. Should push down, to be honest. But then again, we know what gold's like. Playing these silly little games. Last NFP was the craziest news event in a minute. Like 500 pips in an hour. I know, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Chat. Take liquidity down and buy. Still might be right, you know. The 30-minute still's got no top wick, really. So it could flip at any... Oh, shit. They're completely different on the different brokers. That's very interesting. What does it look like on my actual? Oh, my actual broker looks like FXCM right now. So I don't know. Chat, by the way, let's get to 50 likes on the stream right now. Maybe if we get to 50 likes, I'll do a little Apex. You know what I mean? Hence why CFDs suck to trade. I mean, it's not that big of an issue. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit of an inconvenience, but like, you just look at the one that your broker's on and it should be fine. Or you just look at the futures chart if you really need to. Been in a meeting, have we taken anything? Yeah, nah, nothing. If you're a candle pattern trader, I mean, I trade candle structure, but again, like, you just look at either whichever chart makes the most sense. Know what I mean? Know what I mean, man? Chat, we're starting to reject here. Could just be some more liquidity to come down. Or maybe gold's going to play the old switcheroo. Who knows? 5-minute no top wick as well. Is it time to make 100 million right now? I don't know, maybe. But yeah, no trade right now on this news because it's not really doing anything, to be honest. It's barely moved. It's not really a big news event, to be honest. Like 30 pip candle. Pretty minor, sorry. But maybe this hourly close will bring something. Decent bit of opportunity here on this hourly close. Oh, are we going to flip here, chat? Oh, we are. We do be flipping here, chat. A minute and a half here to the 5-minute close. I think it's going to be an important closure. It'll probably set the tone for the rest of the candle. It's just a big 1-minute spike up though, so maybe it wants to do the old flipperoo. Volume might come in later. Yeah, it might do. You still obviously got NYSE open in a little bit, right? So anything could really happen. Gold is flipping burgers. Nah, we're going to be flipping burgers if gold keeps playing like this. Gold will be chilling. It'll be us that's flipping the burgers. Hopefully not. You reckon I got time for a 20-minute shower? Yeah, probably. It's 20 minutes to the closure, so hurry up. Who takes a 20-minute shower as well? It's a long-ass shower. I don't know what you're playing at. Let me plug my phone in, one sec. Chat, I might start doing the more of the day in the lives again. Defo tugging. It's gotta be. You guys really enjoyed the day in the lives before, so I might bring them back. What do we think? You did flip on the 5, chat. Oh no, sorry, you didn't flip on the 5, but you're now pushing up. You flipped on the 30 and the 15 here. Very interesting. It's a decent amount of liquidity being grabbed here. 5 no bottom wick though. Bit of a crazy one. Those respecting the level though. I don't really see a reason why you wouldn't fill towards the top of the range right now. Doesn't really make much sense to not do that. Unless this 5 wants to flip after grabbing liquidity. I mean, both could play out, right? Starting to reject a little bit here. Little push up, push down action here. Flipping about. DXY pushing up. Yeah, but bro, sometimes DXY pushes the same direction as gold. Like, it's not impossible for it to happen. Holy, did we flip? We flipped on the 5. That is crazy. That looks like liquidity to me. 1 hour and 4 hour close will be interesting. Yeah, definitely. I mean, 4 hour close from Awanda is, yeah, in 20 minutes. On FXCM, it's still an hour and a bit, but that could just be a retracement to come up and fill the, yeah, look at that. Rejected immediately. Genuinely nothing better than relaxing and watching a Trendlines vid as I cook. Your vids are so good, no glaze. I appreciate it, bro. The longer style ones are best. Yeah, chat, what do you guys think, honestly? Let me know so I can essentially improve the style, like whatever you guys want to see. I personally really like making the vlogs. I like making the trading education ones as well. But the long sit down ones I think are so firstly, they're super valuable, and they're also just like really good for the connection, right? Between me and you. Never doing that again in my life. All of it great. Yeah, move on. I appreciate that, man. That was hot. You've seen nothing yet. Chat, don't clip that, please. Shit, we're ripping here, chat. 15-minute closure in 5 minutes. Maybe we can get a nice little buy after that bullish 15 close. Maybe. Don't start, Potter. Whoa. What accounts are you trading? As I know, 10x, Apex, 50k. And personal accounts, something missing? Yeah, I have some evaluations now, right? Like I have oh no, I also have a trade. Oh, nearly said the name of the firm. I have 150k funded with another firm as well. And I have some evaluations with another firm as well, but I mean, some top step evaluations and then 150k live funded with, not live funded, just a regular funded with, wait, it's a past funded account, but it's not a live funded account because with futures, they move you over to like live or live capital. I still don't believe it's, anyway, it's a different story. I'm rambling. Chat, 50 likes on the stream, man. How long does it take you to pass 2 phases? With futures, it's way easier, right? Because it's only 1 phase. So like, it'll take me a day or 2. With Top Step, it's different because you have to have a consistency score on the evaluations, which is shit, to be honest. So that would take me, well, I mean, you'd be hoping 2 days, right? But obviously, sometimes stuff doesn't play out the way you want it to. This should fill the range here, to be fair. I don't see why I wouldn't. I was looking for the buys on the flip, but I didn't like the 30 close, no top wick. And I didn't really like also the fact that we closed below on the lower time frames and on the futures chart as well, which kind of was weird to me, to be honest. But what did I say? The bottom wick and flip was super valid. I'm with Alpha, your code. That's the boy. Chat, if you want to get an account with Alpha Capital Group, code SG gets you 20% off. It's the best prop firm on Forex, and it's the best code because it's... Mwah. No, I'm joking, but it actually does get you like whatever the best discount is at the minute, which is 20%. It'll always get you the highest one, so you don't need to worry about finding whatever code. What would you say you're making an average month? That's the thing with trading. There's no such thing as an average month. You know what I mean? But like 5 figs a month pretty much now. Well, I mean, yeah. I have 10K funded account. I grow 3%, but I lose 2 times. 1 again comes in 100. Bro, some furniture in my room just started fucking floating with whatever that enchantment was. I don't know what the fuck you said, to be honest. Repeat it, because I don't know what the fuck that means. Yeah, nah. Here we go. Oh, what's good, Ben Anderson? Sell and buy? Yeah, nah, honestly. Please reply me. What the helly? What the heliante? What the heliberry? Yeah, what do? Fucking... Your guess is as good as mine, brother. I've got zero idea what you do with that one. You're funded. You have 10K funded account. Good. It goes up 3%. Good. You lost 2 times 1. Bad. Again comes in 100. Good or bad? So, I would say double it and give it to the next person. I think that's the best chance right now. Hopefully that helped you out, bro. You helped me? Good, thank you. Yes, please. Chat, we're 50 minutes is closing here in a minute's time. Help me to pass my funded account. Okay, next signal I send, full port it and you'll pass. Guaranteed. 0 chance it fails. Chat, we might get a position here. Foolproof? Exactly. It's just 1 minute saying. Can we get a bottom wick on this 1 hour? Oh, not on the 1 hour, on the 15 minute. Not on the 1 hour. In fact, the 1 hour close would be the nicest. That's in 15 minutes though. I love this chat sometimes. Yeah, me too. I think it's fucking incredible. I don't like this bearish 5 close though, to be honest. But you have grabbed some decent liquidity, so it's like... $15 closed here. What the helly? Oh. What are we looking at here? Bounce, wow. I'm gonna take a buy here as this candle flips. I'm gonna try and stab towards the top of the range here. On an evaluation, this is. So risk what you will, right? But I expect us to fill the range here. Stops below the most recent low. TP at the highs of the range, right? Okay, chat. It's now a risk-free trade. Stops to break even here. Because it's done what it should do, right? It should fill this wick. If it's going to reject, it's going to be right here. So, W's. And let's see if this can ride towards the top of the range. Let me put my TP in as well. Wait, how do I put a TP in here? Yeah, there you go. TP is going to be like, yeah, the top of the range, right? Right here, towards 28. Currently up like 20 pips right now, roughly. 17 was the peak. Chat, that was such an easy trade. Holy shit. Now we just wait. Might tap out break even, might not. We'll see. Because now, chat, if it's going to be basically the thought process behind this is if we are making a higher low right here, it's going to reject here and continue down, right? So I took advantage of the little volume here pushing us up. But if it does want to fill the range, obviously it's going to be good to go. But if it's going to reject, it will be right here. You are closing. Did you close above the highs? No. You need a strong closure here. Are we in? Yeah, I mean, we're in and risk-free. So entering now might be a little bit late, to be honest. See, look, we're rejecting here from this high. So you are rejecting off of this area here right now. I think we're going to hit break even on this. Are we going to survive? I will survive. W trade B for me. There's another re-entry possibility on the 1 hour if it wants to go. Hovering around here. I think we might get stopped. Be on to your Instagram, bro. I had a job in KFC. 8 months salary I just lost in prop firm challenges. It's not good, bro. My DMs, my Instagram's trend lines. My DMs are pretty full, but you can shoot me a message. Chat, drop a like on the stream for that trade. Oh shit, did we just get hit break even? Oh, chat. Break even trade there. Just got tapped. Okay, well, it's gone further down. So, I mean, that's good. At least that it went a little bit further down and didn't just tap us. Because that is the number one thing that pisses me off is when you get tapped break even just and it goes. Still might go, chat, but I think that was, to be honest, a complete right decision there to manage that way. If it flips and goes, it flips and goes. Let me add that to the trades taken, though. Gold buys. Oh, chat, watch this flip and go. We just love it so much, right? We love gold. Stream record. That's another BE trade there. 25th BE trade on stream. W nonetheless, chat. If you don't set a stop loss in TP on TradingView when you market execute, you can't. Yeah, but bro, just right. The best way to do that is just immediately buy when you press buy. Just put it like this. Don't think about setting it. Don't think about the number because then you're gonna waste time. So just click it, click buy, and then it will appear like probably here and here, and then just drag it to where you want it to be. Oh, chat, it flipped as well. Fucker. Absolute motherfucker, man. Nah, here's what it is. I'm gonna look on the 1 hour for a re-entry chat, so stay tuned. Stay focused. Please give me something for you to contact you. Instagram. I said you can DM me on Instagram. Oh, 0800 TRLS. Thoughts on no bottom wick on the daily? Yeah, that's a good question, W7 bro. I don't think it's a big deal, to be honest. With the way the weeklies grab liquidity, the previous daily swept the lows and grabbed liquidity, I don't think you need a bottom wick on the daily. I think it's very possible that we just rip through. You're not replying me? On Instagram or what? Bro, I get 100 DMs a day on Instagram. Not a joke. Literally 100 DMs a day. So if I see it, I'll reply to you. If not, then just be patient or send me another message. Chat, vibing out with my BE trade here. Sort of made a double top. Did I pay a fucking spread? I bet I did. Oh my god, 24 bucks in fucking spread. Across my accounts. 5 accounts, 130 bucks lost on that, chat. Just from a break-even trade. That's some people's take profit right there, or a stop loss. So I'm saying, chat, there's levels to this game. Please give me your personal number, or personal num. Bro, I can't give you my personal num. I would never give out my personal num. The people who do get my personal num are the mental shit. Fuck is. The people who do. I can't say it with a straight face. The people who get my personal num is my one-on-one mentorship students. They get my personal num, but other than that, no one else gets it. Bro, it's tung so. Chat, it flipped again on the 5. Fuck. What the skibbity. Make that a command? What? Personal num? I wish, bro. One of the mods can do it. Personal num's always almost as good as Floop. Floop was pretty good. Bro, that actually, I've nearly just fucking shed a tear then after that. Chat, we got tapped BE and it's running without us. I'm going to punch a hole in anyone's face. Man. What the hell? Send me 1 BTC and I'll give you SG's number. Yo, yeah, I'll take part of that deal. If you give me, we'll go 50-50. I'll take half the BTC. Someone else can take half. Love gold? I know, yeah, it's classic. What's your Instagram? Oh my days, I literally sent it in. Scroll up like 5 chat messages and read. Punching bag with Jerome Powell's face on it? Yeah. Oh my god, this guy. Chat, I'm going to wait for this hourly close here. I think there's a lot of potential here. To be honest. I've got an idea. Why don't you give me your personal num? And then I won't text you. Chat, 5 minutes here to the hourly close. Starting to reject a little bit anyway. So I removed them. My trade had no SL and TP, so confused. I did a trade and my TP and SL turned into buy orders. Yeah, they are buy orders and sell limits, bro. That's what a TP is. Like, if you think about it, even on Forex, it's the same thing. It just doesn't tell you that, right? Because it's full of retards. But a stop loss and a take profit is just exiting you out of the trade by buying or selling the exact amount that you were in. So let's say you bought 1 lot of gold, to exit out of that trade, the only way you can do it is by selling that one lot of gold, right? So your take profit would be a sell limit at a certain price to sell one lot of gold to get you in and out. It's like going to the shop and buying 10 apples and then you want to get rid of the apples. The only way you can do it is by selling those 10 apples, right? 3 minutes, chat. But that's the exact premise behind why stop losses and TPs generate liquidity when they're activated, you know? Because again, it's just the same as someone buying or selling. I only speak oranges. Yeah, fair. I'm not very fluent in orange, so I have to speak apple. Either Rehan is top tier trolling or needs reading comprehension more than trading advice. I think it's probably the second one. Re-entry on the 1 hour close. Yeah, I'm looking, but it's absolutely ripping. I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. Did you get bead? Oh, what an idea. What an idea you've just given me. Chat, no, I actually didn't get bead on that. I survived somehow. Closing full now at 25 pips, W. Thank fuck. Thank fuck, Blizzy just reminded me that I can just make it up. No, I'm joking. Yeah, I got B on that one, unfortunately. I wish I survived, but... I made $100 close because no SL or TP could have got cooked. Yeah, W, bro. I survived because I moved my stop loss down every time it's getting close. That defeats the point of a break-even stop loss then, no? Chat, we're big time rejecting here though. Big time rush. This could be difficult. When the market does that to me, I call it a hit and run. Yeah, it's tough. Someone send this guy my Instagram. I don't even actually think you're going to be able to have a comprehensive conversation with me in DMs. SG, you know, reply him? Yes, reply him. How many days do I need to trade this Apex for? 8 days to get a payout. You know? I do. Yes. Fuck you, bastard. What's the fucking quote again? He switched up after the fame? Yeah, it's facts. Give him your personal num. I actually have to give him my personal num. Probably my grandma's in the room. So I apologize, Dorian's grandma. I'm actually a very nice boy. I was just quoting a famous internet video. This is a PG stream. And I've got an English accent, so you must forgive me. Yeah, fuck you, bloody. Yeah, that's it. I send you my number, you know, text me. You didn't send me your num. Chat, wait, 1 hour closed here. Give me just one bottom wick, man. Hold on, this is my mentor. Yeah, you sent your... Oh, chat, it's actually just fucking ripped without us. Oh, I'm sorry, it's just bloody ripped without us, eh? Scallywag. Bloody scallywag gold, you bloody great supine protoplasmic jelly. That is one of the best Prime Minister quotes ever, by the way. He wasn't even Prime Minister then, but that's next level. You're not even going to challenge me? You great supine protoplasmic jellies. Such a good quote. Did you send personal num? And he said no. Well, there you go. You have to send your personal num. Otherwise, how am I going to message you? If it's a business num, I can't message it. My broker has a bearish 4-hour close. Yeah, Oanda does. It's just different 4 hours, right? Chat, 2 hour. Oh wait, nah, 1 hour closed here. This is my personal num. I think I'm actually gonna start crying if this continues any further. I don't even know what I'm gonna say. Chat, how are we only on 26 likes when there's 70 people in the stream right now? That is diabolical. Fucking drop a like, man. Otherwise, I'm gonna expose Rehan's personal num if you're not careful. I'm gonna get his personal num and tell everyone. Rehan, send your personal num, man. Bro, don't go. What do you mean don't go? I can't. Bro, if this is a troll, that is the best troll I've ever received in my life. I actually kind of hope it is. But bro, no way a troll could even think of this. Like this is too creative to think about. Don't go is crazy. Personal num is ridiculous. No shot. Oh my days. Don't go. It's sensational. But honestly, that is... I feel like bro is watching a different stream and like replying to in the wrong chat or some shit. He's definitely got 2 streams open, talking to someone else. That's the only thing that justifies this. Sam Samson's here as well. What a name. You've doubled down on the Sam here. I like that. It's a great name. For God's sake, give him your personal num. And it's a tragedy right now. Rehan, if you are there, my friend, type your personal number into chat and I will message you. I promise the rest of chat won't also message you. It will just be me. Yes. Good. Sorted. 65 pips from our entry. Yeah, I know, bro. It's tough. We got break evened. That is tough. But chat, if we close above here, to be fair, that's another entry, right? How many contracts are you using? Or contacts or contracts? I have a lot of contacts in my phone. But if you're talking about contracts, then... contact lenses, none. What else is a contact? Like an electrical contact? Probably quite a few in this house. But no, for contracts, for FX, I'm trading like 1 mini, basically. 1 mini across all my accounts. So like 5 minis total. Chad today is wild. Who's Chad? Is there someone you need to tell us about, Jar? Jar's got a new friend called Chad. You know Chad? I know no one of the sort. Country? What's going on in Chad today? It actually is quite crazy today in Chad. Voting begins in Chad as opposition parties Sudan's war is driving Chad's humanitarian collapse. Holy shit. Controversial parliamentary election as well. No. Oh my days. The Apex punish you for getting a fat trade? No, not really. I think there's a 30% consistency score though. You don't want to get a trade above like $750. Otherwise, you're going to have to trade more and then get a payout. Can't believe it. I actually can't believe it. Holy Sigma. What has this stream turned into? We went from getting a valid trade to degeneracy. TP hit, by the way. Fuck. That is actually tough, though. I can't lie. Nothing really I could have done. I wouldn't have gone break even any later as well. If TP hit, I'll sell it. Does Apex have a consistency rule? Not on the evaluations, but yes on the live. But it's like 30%. So it's actually not bad at all, really. As long as you don't have a monster trade, you're not going to be having to worry about it. Especially because you need 8 trading days for a payout. Honestly, Jar, if you got past the buffer on Apex, you could make serious money. That's what I'm saying. Like, you can full port Apex evaluations and pass them in a day, and it's no problem. That's why everyone fucking runs Apex, because it's elite, to be honest. Apex is by far the easiest to pass. No consistency on the evaluation, so you just full port it for like $30. If you fail, you fail. You know? But then also the best thing that happens is the trailing drawdown stops after the buffer. So if you get like 10k in profit on a 50k account with Apex, you then have a $7,500 drawdown, which is like crazy, right? 15% drawdown, and then obviously the more it goes, the higher that your drawdown gets, which is sick. So like for example, Jade Cap, obviously, like JCap got, what did he have? Like a $2.5 million payout, right? Across 20 accounts. So what is that? It was like 100. What the fuck is that? 20, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, divided by 20. So he was like $125,000 in profit across each account, right? 125, 1, 2, 3. So that means his trading drawdown stopped at 10k on the on the 150K accounts, right? So we had a $115,000 buffer. So you could have, I think your maximum you can risk is like 30% of that buffer. So you could have risked like 40K a trade at one point without breaking any rule, which is how it's so easy to scale after you get past the buffer, right? Hey, I passed 3 times, but when I have to make money, what, your psychology changes? Yeah, of course. What's good, Danny? How's it going, man? What about you? Caught any trades this week? We just had a trade here on stream, Danny. You missed it. We caught 70 pips. 70. Nah, I'm joking. We got BE. We hit BE, unfortunately. Can you show me the trade? It was just a 15-minute buy right here. Yeah. Stops below here, TP up here, which just hit for whatever it was. Which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. Oh, they adjusted that 30-minute closure. It must have been wrong, eh? They just changed it to a gap. It wasn't like that when we took the first position, actually. It's kind of weird how they changed it after the fact. Reasoning behind the trade was a 15-minute breakout back into the range, right? Just a fake out. Very simple fake out. Very clean position. Bottom wick first, flip. But yeah, hit break even, unfortunately, on a retracement. You can see here it came back. Tapped to speed and then drove. Tough stuff. But chat, if this hourly can, not hourly, but like, oh fuck, this is tough actually. It's got no top wick. Might be very difficult here to get a position, to be honest. Rejecting here off the top of the range as well. Very strong rejection as well. Are we going to see a push downwards? Probably, right? Didn't break any highs though, so I'm not looking for sells or anything. Maybe if it swept these highs, then yeah, you could look, but... That's the problem. So now the 1 hour's got no bottom wick. So even if you get like a bullish 15 close like we're about to get, if it was above the range, there's still a potential that hourly flips. Please check. I will try my hardest. Please, please. Please check. What am I checking? This has to be Eugene and you can't convince me otherwise. I text you? How did you possibly text me? You don't have my number. Or did you DM me? Let me check my DMs. Oh, you might have done. Yeah, you did. Let's reply. Hello. Let's have a chat on here, shall we? Oh, right. I'm not going to expose this guy. He's going to talk about his life and everything. That's a bit mean. I can't do that. Chat, 15-minute closed here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wait for the next 15 minutes, which is going to be the... How's he speaking perfect English in Instagram? But not in chat. Sam, you got a fan? I will sponsor his trip to Greece. Want to share your personal address? Yeah, sure. Sure. It's good, Adnan. Thank you so, bro. Anytime, man. This is proof if you try hard enough at anything, you will succeed. True. It means bishop to e4? Yeah. Check. Starting to reject here, chat. I don't think there's anything I'm going to be able to catch now. Which is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. We nearly got the trade, man. We nearly got it. It was this little beauty right here. What a beauty. 50 pips it would have been, which is okay. Nothing crazy, right? Chat, by the way, if you haven't watched my most recent video, I command you to watch it. By order of the Peaky Blinders. This one right here. Psychology Master Class. For free. What the Sigma? But yeah, chat, look, I'm going to call it there, man. There's nothing I can do here, to be honest, unfortunately. That's just alles. Yeah, nah, that's everything, man. Like, we can't do shit here, to be honest. Let me get my daily coins. Get in. 75 coins. Get them in there. Chat, if you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good shit. Go watch the new YouTube video right now after this. And good call, it's cooked. Yeah, I know, it's pretty cooked. I'm going to go hit the gym. Nice little back session, I think. Maybe something like that. And then, it's still not NYSE. Just don't like the price action, man. Watch SG catches L on Geo. Whoa. I thought I said ego then first. I was about to be like, yo, I have pretty much no ego. Actually, that's cap. I have a massive ego. I think you kind of have to have a big ego, to be honest, to be successful. Not that I'm successful. Oh, fuck it. I don't care. Chat, join the GeoGuessr, man. Right, I'm starting this game in 10 seconds. Regardless of regardless of if anyone is in or not. I mean, no, there's people in, obviously, but 3, 2, okay. Why you never trade until NYSE opening? Price action's pretty cooked right now. It's going to take at least an hour or so to give me a setup. I'm not saying I won't trade it, but I don't want to stay on stream for another hour because it's fucking exhausting. I'm also worried that whoever that guy's name is going to find me. Fuck, I forgot to place a guess. Right, well, that's not good. Who are these fellas? Doesn't really help. It's pretty multicultural. Oh no, not really. Not really, actually. I don't know where though. Where's the rich area? Bengal? Oh fuck. Alright, wait, close enough. Liam Nelson. I don't know where you are, but I'll find you. That's the one. Oh. Shit, I'm changing my mind last minute. Oh, what a good change. Holy shit. I was about to go like Mexico or something like that. España. Oh, this is Brixton. Which fucking scribbly language is this? I can never figure them out. South Korea? Is that Japanese? I don't think it's Japanese. Yes! Get shafted. Oh, that's put me into second, you know. Yeah, you fell for the Japan trap. Victory settings. Oh, it's .com. Fuck. Mexico, Colombia, Puerto Rico. No. Yeah. Fuck. Second place, I'll take it. Triz actually always fucking wins the G, I guess. This is pissing me off now. He's the new Gandhi. I don't know where Gandhi's gone, but he's the new Gandhi. I'll take a second. Mr. Kaiser, third place. Chat, look at that rejection as well. Back to our entry, so you can't feel bad now about getting hit break even. That's how it works. 1 hour flipped. Insane. Chat. Peace out, man. Much love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Same time tomorrow morning for the final stream of the week. Peace out, chat. Much love. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. Peace. Watch the new YouTube video as well. If you don't, I'm going to beat you up. Seriously. Don't go.